Hello, my name is Gage Swanson, and this screencast will explain the graphic design principles I utilized in order to create my infographic. The first thing I did when making this infographic was choose a color scheme. I chose to use blue as my base color. Purple and teal colors that you see here are analogous to the blue color scheme. In order to make some visuals pop, I used a burnt orange color, which is the opposite and complementary to blue. I chose burnt orange because it isn't too bright or neon-esque to create a blurring effect. I laid out the infographic chronologically in 3 steps: preconception, pregnancy, and post-pregnancy. I used the Gestalt principle of proximity to properly align shapes with the text that they belong to. I used a template from visme.co in order to accomplish my goals in this project. I adjusted the subtitles with each of my 3 chronological steps to better separate them from each other. I also changed the color to be alternating with the blue and purple, which pleasantly separates each segment of information.